We'll move to the sixth question. If A is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, B is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13, C is equal to 11, 13, 15, and D is equal to 15, 17, find the sub-questions are A intersection B. The elements of A are 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection, the elements of B are 7, 9, 11, 13. Now what are the elements which is common in both? 7 is common, 9 is common, and 11 is common. So the elements are 7, 9, 11. So A intersection B is equal to 7, 9, 11. Second sub question. B intersection C. What are the elements of B? 7, 9, 11, 13. Intersection, elements of C are 11, 13, 15. Now what are the elements which are common? B intersection C is equal to 11, 13. Third sub question. A intersection C intersection D. What are the elements of A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection C 11, 13, 15. Intersection D 15, 17. First we'll solve these two sets. What are the elements common? 3 is not common, 5 is not common, 7 is not there, 9 is not there, only 11. 11 intersection, the second set, 15, 17. What are the elements common? No elements are common in these both the sets. So we'll write the answer as 5. A intersection C intersection D is equal to 5. 5 which means that there is no elements. Fourth sub question. A intersection C. What are the elements of A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection, what are the elements of C? 11, 13, 15. So A intersection C, what are the elements common in both the sets? 11 is the element which is common in both the sets. Fifth sub question. B intersection D. What are the elements of B? 7, 9, 11, 13. Intersection D 15, 17. What are the elements common? B intersection D is equal to, again there are no elements common in both the sets, so the answer is 5. Sixth sub question. A intersection B union C. What are the elements of A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection B 7, 9, 11, 13. Union C 11, 13, 15. Okay, first we'll solve the union, then we'll do the intersection. So we'll write the set A as it is. Intersection, the union of set B and set C is 7, 9, 11, 13. What is the remaining element? 15. Because 11 and 13 is already written. Next, the intersection of these two sets are, what are the elements common in both the sets? 9, 7, 9 and 11. These three elements are common. So A intersection B union C is equal to 7, 9, 11. Seventh sub question. A intersection D. Elements of A are, set A are, intersection set D 15, 17. What are the elements common? Again, here we can find no element is common, so the answer is 5. 8th sub question. A intersection bracket B union D. Again, as the 6th question we'll solve. What are the elements of set A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection. Elements of set B. 7, 9, 11, 13. Union. Set D. 15, 17. We'll write set A as it is. Intersection. We'll write the union of set B and D. 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. All the elements in both the sets have been written. So the union is done. What are the elements common? A intersection B union D is equal to 7 is common, 9 is common, 11 is common. So 7, 9, 11 are the 3 elements. 9th sub question. A intersection B union C. What are the elements of set A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection. The elements of set B. 7, 9, 11, 13. Intersection. The elements of set B again. 7, 9, 11, 13. Union. Elements of set C are 11, 13, 15. First you solve the bracket ones, then afterwards the intersection part. What are the elements common in set A and set B? 3, 5, 9 is common. 7, 9, 11. 7, 9, 11 is common. 7, 9, 11. This is done. Intersection B union C. Union means all the elements we should write. So 7, 9, 11, 13. 11, 13 is written. So the remaining is 15. Okay, now the intersection means this part is done. Intersection means what are the elements common? 7, 9, 11. So the answer is 7, 9, 11. A intersection B union C is equal to 7, 9, 11. That's it. 10th question. A union D intersection B union C. The same formula. First solve the bracket ones, then afterwards do the intersection part. Elements of set A. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Union. Elements of set D. 15, 17. Intersection. Elements of set B. 7, 9, 11, 13. Union. Set C. 11, 13, 15. Okay, first we will solve the bracket ones. Union means all the elements of both the set we should write. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 15 and 17. Intersection. This part is done. 7, 9, 11, 13. Union. 7, 9, 11, 13. 11, 13 is written. So the remaining element is 15. Second bracket is done. Then we'll do the intersection part. What are the elements common? 7, 9, 11. That's it. So A union D intersection B union C is equal to 7, 9, 11 and 15 also. Here 15 is also common. That's it. 7th question. If A is equal to x as that x is a natural number, B is equal to x as that x is an even natural number, C is equal to x as that x is an odd natural number, and D is equal to x as that x is a prime number. Find A intersection B. Before solving the sub-questions, these sets are written in set builder form or represented in set builder form. We'll write in roster form so that it will be easy for you to solve these questions. A is equal to natural number. You guys know natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it move till infinity. Here they have not mentioned about the endpoint, condition about endpoint, so we'll leave it with 3 dots, which says that there is no endpoint. Set B is equal to x as that x is an even natural number, but it should be even, 2 conditions. So 1 is an odd natural number, so it will begin from 2, 4, 6, 8, 3 dots, it's enough. Set C is equal to x as that x is an odd natural number, 1, 3, 5, 3 dots, it's enough. Set D is equal to x as that x is a prime number. It begins from 2, 3, 5, 7, 3 dots, enough. With these elements we'll solve the sub-questions. First sub-question, A intersection B. What are the elements common in A and B? A intersection B, we'll write set A. Set A is equal to 1 intersection set B. What are the elements common? 2, 4, 6, 3 dots. It's enough because we don't know the endpoint. Second sub-question, A intersection C. The elements of set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till infinity. And intersection, the elements of set C, 1, 3, 5, 3 dots. So what are the elements common? A intersection C is equal to 1, 3, 5, 3 dots. Enough. Third sub-question, A intersection D. What are the elements of A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection, the elements of D are 2, 3, 5, 7. A intersection D, what are the elements common? 2, 3, 5, 3 dots. Fourth sub-question, B intersection C. Elements of set B, 2, 4, 6, 8. Intersection, elements of set C, 1, 3, 5. B intersection C, what are the elements common in both the sets? B is set of even natural number, C is set of odd natural number. So there is no common elements in both the sets. So the answer is 5. 5 means it is a disjoint set. No elements is common in both the sets. So we represent it as 5. Fifth sub-question, B intersection D. Elements of set B, 2, 4, 6, 8. Intersection, elements of set D, 2, 3, 5, 7. What are the elements common? B intersection D is equal to 2. That's it. Here you have come across the statement. The answer for the statement is 2. What is that statement? The statement is the even natural prime number. The answer is 2. 2 is the only even number as well as prime number. Sixth sub-question, C intersection D. Elements of set C are 1, 3, 5. 3 dots. Intersection set D, 2, 3, 5, 7. What are the elements common? C intersection D is equal to 3, 5, 3, 5 and 7. We'll move to the next question. 8th question. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? First sub question. 1, 2, 3, 4 and x as set x is a natural number and where x is greater than and equal to 4 and less than and equal to 6. Okay, two sets are given. Let us assume this as A and this as B. Two sets are given, set A and set B are given. Here it is represented in set builder form, we'll write in roster form. X as set x is a natural number where x is greater than 4 and equal. If equality is mentioned, 4 is included in the set. 4, 5, 6. So A intersection B, this is the question na. 1, 2, 3, 4 intersection 4, 5, 6. What are the elements common? 4 is the only element which is common. So A intersection B is equal to 4. So one element is present, one element is common. They have asked which of the following set is disjoint. Disjoint means no element should be common na. Here one element is common, so it is not a disjoint set. The reason is the element 4 is common in both the sets, so it is not a disjoint set. Second sub question. AEIOU and CDEF. Okay, what are the elements common in both the sets? Let this be A and this be B. A intersection B is equal to, what are the elements common? E is common, so one element again is present, that is E, so it is not a disjoint set. Third sub question. X as set x is an even integer and x as set x is an odd integer. We'll write the elements of set A. Let this be set A, again this be set B. X as set x is an even integer. What are the even integer? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. They have not mentioned about the endpoint, so we'll write 3 dots and leave it. Intersection x as set x is a odd integer. 1, 3, 5, 7. What are the elements common? Even and odd. We have faced the same kind of question here also. In this set, in the 7th question, 4th sub question, it is similar kind of question, it is same question, so the answer is 5. A intersection B is equal to 5. No elements are common, therefore it is a disjoint set.